Watch. Of the world, it's not a plan. You hear me, the man? Hey, yo, a franchise, the choosing one, the 10-star general. I don't know when I come for represent. I don't know what going on, man. I don't know what going time, aim up, load up, crank up, and sound the big thing them and drop necessary equipment. I don't know a loud explosion, the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. Watch. Come on, people. I could get things real electrify right now. Watch. Yo, me I say. Just give me a second. Let me spin around. Yo, me I say. Right about now, the thing I get crazy in the country. You see what I deal with? This thing I get from bad to worse. You see what I deal with? And me not see like nobody a step up in places say, well then make them put no stoppage to this. People, make a reason for a minute or two. Hear what I say. Big respect to the former Prime Minister Edward Seaga family, condolence and R.I.P. You see what I deal with? Because I go say that because what? It goes out for everybody. So people not really wish death on nobody. But what? People, does we ever have a Prime Minister will represent for either the Labour Party or the PMP Party where the two side of people check for? Do you ever have a Prime Minister will run Jamaica where the PMP and the Labour Party respect and check for them? Huh? Because here we are going. Although them people are Labour right, Zin? And them people are PMP. The party where in a power, supposed to represent for the people them in the country, So even if you say Labour right and a PMP in a power, you're supposed to look about the people them too, Because that is a choice for the people them have in my virgin. You see what I deal with? Watch. You know me I say right about now. When I look at me used to hear about Bustamante. See? And them shit there. You see what I deal with? But me I say, as a youth I grow up and I watch politician thing. And I watch the Labour Party and the PMP Party. It's like the both of them were going a power. It's like them actually do the same thing. You understand me? So, right now, I just say, well then, yo, the reason why I say all of this, Edward Seaga dead, right? And him dead are like probably old age, because the man dead on his birthday when he was 89 years old. You see what I deal with? A whole heap of years that for you, man. You see me? I want to know that too. You see what I deal with? So, I say, Mr. Onis come out and him highlight that shit there to the fullest. You see what I deal with? And the reason why I say all of this, my virgin. Remember saying everybody life valued the same, my virgin. Because life where you can't bring back, You understand me? You can't bite. You see what I deal with? But I say, for all of the people where in the country who lose them little child, my virgin, and them little teenage pitney them dog. Me not hear nobody come out from the government association and rebel and not say nothing, nor even go meet the family themselves and share a little sympathy with them and all them stuff there. Or I put in nothing instructor for say, well then we have to catch them type of people here who are deal with them thing here. Remember, the Napen thing just go on, and the man them are saying, remember the man them are talk saying, them have lead and them have all of this and have that and them soon catch people. You see what I deal with? And as a police get shot or hurt or anything, it no matter, which part get them thing there, them eyes will go out pan them lips and bone, for fine, the culprit them who do it, So why the man them can't do the same for the people them who are missing? You know what I mean? Why the man them can't do the same for the people them who are missing? When we say justice, it's supposed to go right on the board, my brethren, because anywhere at all, come I'll show you something. The reason why the crime things are hard for clean up and them shit there. You see, anywhere at all, you see innocent murder go on, when no justice no go on for, them place the curse. And sometimes even the police force mix up in a innocent shit, them think they curse, my brethren. I don't know a lollipop thing. You see what I deal with? Because here we go on right now. The thing we go on down at Napen, me don't know if you see it, people. You hear enough people say, well then, them money can't be. Remember, the security minister, come out and say, them are going to target ghetto people, the poorer class of people, because of them respond to the most crime. Him say 75%, if not all. You see me? So I target the people them from the ghetto who dress shabby, who don't have the money for buying a good clothes wear, and the people them who him claim say walk with them pants body down at them down at them waist and a show underpants. Them type of people them same a target. Well, when we watch the thing what happen on Napen Sunday, none of the man them will come out of the wholesale, None of the man them who come out of the Chinese them business place, them pants never they down here, so Furthermore, them man are dressed like some diplomat, like some squad, the SWAT team from US, So the man them just a full black. The man them, my virgin. Me no know if you see it, well masked up like ninja, You see what I deal with? And then the man them want to blame dancehall artists. And this are the reason why the government them no response to dancehall. Them want to throw it underneath the bus. You see what I deal with? Them never say make them come together with the dancehall artists and put some thing in perspective and put some thing in place and say to the dancehall artists, them could try to curve the youth them way and nothing. Them want point and pan dancehall artists and what we see we go on Sunday, a movie business them there, my virgin. A movie business them there. We go on Sunday because there ain't no way. You see me? Gunshots supposed to fire for 5, 9 or 15 minutes. You see me? And police now come on the scene there and block up the two sides. And all helicopter in the air. A lollipop thing there. You see what I deal with? They ain't no way the man them should have escaped. Roadblocks supposed to be all over the place from them find out what go on. Because all it take for us go up on your radio and transmit. You see what I deal with? You're not supposed to equip. Them shit they're not supposed to go on unless I want a friend them. You know what I mean? And the way the man them are not the gun people. That not sound like gunman. Because if gunman come out of a house or a building and hear say police say the way him turn fool, when him squeeze him trigger, everything fly out of him gun. I would alone rapid here. And them first intention of run. Them a go squeeze off a whole heap of grain and run gone. Them all even run left all them one another. And that's why you hear man get all bullet and man dead when them go up on certain works and police intervene. And them man they stand up and knock it and the man them a count them grains where them a knock. You know, hear the man them a knock the thing. Professional, the man them make the rifle sing on a high note. You see what I deal with? A be number 1 track it a sing. You see what I deal with? And a lollipop thing. You hear me I tell you? Man, them rifle a spit fire like the dragon them. You see what me a deal with? Police have to take cover and who they put and ground a ball for them mama. And bad boy I say save the drama. You know what I mean? A them thing them me a talk about. All them thing they are going. You see what me I did? And when you don't want blame dancehall artists. And then you don't want blame ghetto people. You know what I mean? And you see some sophisticated thing them they are going in the country. Eh? And the man them a kill the little girl them and I rape them and people are talk about well then are some sacrifice business and all them shit they are going and then the official them like the diplomat like the government people them, you know what I mean? And all of the minister them from both the party were in a power. And the next party, them now come out and say, well then, yo, make a try for ban down on this thing and look out and see what go on. You know what I mean? Them think that either thing say if you not highlight certain things, my brother, you not have to highlight everything. Because justice not just go for one set of people alone. One not go to wait till them take them not take food no data. Now on a son, that's why now go on, sir. Eh? I wanna get them style there from. Eh? Cause them think them know no artists. Me never hear entertainer sing about that yet. You know what I mean? I mean hear ghetto people are brandish them thing there. So I wanna know where them thing they come from. Where we watch them thing there on the show business them thing there. People are make sacrifice on them shit. That show business that you know. You know what I mean? Who the fuck you identify say them ever see them thing they are going real? A show business them thing there, you know. But yet still, are the poor people who say you no want pressure. And yet still, you not beg the poor people them who claim you no want pressure for don't put no interest in a dance hall. Because you know why? Because you no want get the people achieve nothing. You just want get the people for mix up in a robber, kill, thief so you can come kill them off. And through the youth them turn entertainer, and when the youth them turn entertainer and I drive them big bumbo clock, then sparse, you know, and them shit there, and ice a bling all about half of them man them and the man them and a freeze on them and the man them finger, you know, not like them shit there, you know what I mean? And them thing they burning, you know. Because you can't just get up, you know, and go take set pan them man there as you know like. You see what I deal with? And them thing that I talk about. And why so much police are mixed up in so much corruption. And I'm going to show you, say, all of them things, let me tell you something. Nobody no lie like police. The man them odd lie. The man them odd lie. Multiply lie. Equal lie. You know see that are too much lie. Are too much of a lie that. Plus lie. No too bumbuck lie because this policeman. See? The man kill him wife da. The man kill him wife, you know. The man kill the woman and come out on vice note, you know. Claim him attack, you know. But woman a fatigue him, you know. And a lick off him door for money and him couldn't take it no more and kill her. You want to tell me, say, a police, you know. A police you talk about and you talk about a woman, you know. You know what I mean? Tell me which police you know take talk from woman. First thing, police not even have one woman. You know what I mean? And woman, and every police me know, him woman afraid of him like puss. Because I'm a lick her in her face and nothing come out of that because I'm a police. And everybody know that. And what am I talk about? The woman a lick him in his face? Eh? At that moment if the woman a beat him and a lick him in his face. Why you kill the woman, my brethren? After left the woman a go left here, you know, you find out say the woman a go left here, you know. Or the woman have a new brand jockey, you know, where I carry her go at the full maximum distance, you know. Because some of you boy weak, you know. I just money and killing people, you know, like and drinking, you know. Because you kill so much people, you know, have to live pan white room, you know. You know what I mean? And probably the woman find a nice little jockey where I carry her go the full 12 furlong, you know. Cause I'm bred for do the distant, you know. Not like a little weak boy, the weak police boy we kill her, you know. Because if him never weak, him wanna kill the woman, you know. Where you kill the woman for? And then I come out, but what me want to know, you know, because I not hear no news say them find him and himself. Now, I not hear no news say them find him dead. And I not hear like them say him carrying himself. Me not know, but me not hear none of them shit there. So I want to know, say, if I kill the woman, I expect say him I go run up and down and run go somewhere go hide. Because him a police. Yo, justice for the all over the board. And at that 10 star I say, justice not supposed to be for one set of people alone. Justice are for the poor and the rich and everybody in the country. And that's why the people them numerate and participate and vote and elect on in. My brother, on electing for serve and protect. Not for destroy and choose who no want to serve.